What's up, YouTube? Listen, guys, we back at it, man. We get another chance to go right back into the war field tomorrow, man, to do what we do. But listen, guys, we got some major catalysts on the horizon for tomorrow. You already know, man, the Fed will speak on tomorrow, and what we all are anticipating is a 75 basis point rate hike. Okay, anything that's outside of that to the upside is something we're not anticipating. Okay, so if he comes in at 75 basis points, that's what we are expecting, and so we're expecting, at least if nothing else, the market to just maintain itself. Okay, if he go lower and they come in a little dovish and come in with 50 basis points, guys, we might rally a little bit. Okay, but if by any reason, by any means, he becomes more hawkish all of a sudden and does something like a 100-point basis hike, then guys, look for things to kind of sell off. Okay, I'm telling you now to brace for it so that you know what to expect, and so you prepare for whatever may come down the pipe. But nevertheless, guys, you know, around here it's important to have a game plan, it's important to have strategy, and that's what we're going to talk about today. With that being said, guys, major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. I want to shout out the Discord, man. Check this out, guys. And if you have not joined our Discord yet, I'm going to be going through these screenshots, man, but please consider doing so. Link for that as a description below. I talk about the importance on your journey, guys. Don't go at it alone. Don't try to be the lone wolf in this game. Get around some positive people, some good people, some people that's truly trying to walk alongside you. If you need a mentor, guys, we got coaching for stuff like that. If you need somebody to look over your portfolio, teach you charts, guys, this is a complex game. Yes, I come on here every day to try to simplify it, but nevertheless, guys, it's not something that you all will all learn every little nuance of it overnight. Okay, so don't hesitate to join a positive community, and don't hesitate to get the help you need, guys, because investing in you is the best investment you can make. With that being said, man, check this out, guys. Earnings season is in full blast right now, and so I want to kind of touch on this, and I want to share this with you guys right here, man. Microsoft misses estimates, but the stock is up 5% on rosy guidance. This is why we don't try to play earnings, because Microsoft didn't do all that hot, and the stock should have went down if you just kind of making the correlation. However, the stock popped 5%. Okay, check this out. Some of the key points: Microsoft revenue and income fell short, as did company's revenue from Azure and other cloud services. Changing exchange rates and challenges in advertising and the PC markets brought down revenue this quarter. Okay, so guys, these are going to be some of the same things you hear from other cloud-based companies. Okay, but Microsoft being one of the big dogs, when it comes from them, it hit a little different. Okay, their shares rose 5% in extended trading on Tuesday after the software maker issued a rosy income forecast for the year ahead. Oftentimes, guys, guidance is what Wall Street is wanting to hear. They want to hear that, okay, you did horrible this time, but what y'all plan on doing next quarter? Okay, and Microsoft, they know the game. They know the game all too well. They gave some rosy guidance to let them know, hey, we was down this quarter, but we gonna be back on our beam next quarter, and we'll be back. And sure enough, Wall Street bought it, and boom, the stock popped 5%. Okay, with that, earnings was $2.23 per share adjusted versus $2.29 per share as expected. Revenue was $51.87 billion versus $52.44 billion as expected by analysts. Listen, guys, these things come with the territory. They missed, and they missed across the board, all right, but nevertheless, they gave nice guidance and the stock went up. Okay, also, guys, just for kicks, I'm gonna throw in Alphabet, or you guys might be more familiar with Google. Okay, check this out. Alphabet's better than feared quarter shows advertisings are staying with Google. But guess what, guys, just like Microsoft, Google did horrible too. They missed on everything as well. All right, but the stock went up. So my cautionary tale is this: you're going to have a crazy next 24-48 hours. All right, but don't think just because these companies are shooting air balls that the stock will go down. Okay, yes, they'll pick one or two to make plummet, like they did Snap or like they did Walmart. Okay, they'll pick a couple, but some that you might be thinking might do the opposite. So be careful, be cautious. Okay, do not try to play earnings. What I love to do, guys, is let all of these numbers come out. I let the dust settle, and then I tap that butt, okay? You guys can do the same and take advantage of these plays, all right? We got a jam-packed day on tomorrow, especially with the Fed, again, giving us guidance on whether he'll be doing 75 basis points or 50 or even 100. Okay, so that enough will give us some clarity and some certainty then before we get that note about whether or not we have 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP that will tell us if we're in a technical recession. Okay, with that being said, and as that relates to what we do around here, guys, stay the course. Okay, by now, especially if you've been rocking with me, man, you've seen we've been through several Fed meetings. We went through several ups and downs within the market. Okay, it comes with the territory. It's to be expected. All right, what I want you to do, trust your plan, trust your process. Okay, I talk about often the importance of knowing what you want to invest in, knowing what you own. Okay, and now is that time right here. Okay, now you got 2 options. Okay, you can kind of sit and let the Fed report come out and then make your move right there, or you could just stick to the script as you normally would. Guys, I don't let nothing dictate what I do around here. Not nothing on YouTube, not another social media influencer, not CNBC. Guys, I run my own race. Okay, I buy because I know how to build wealth, and I know over the last 12 years I've made millions just doing what I do. Okay, I dollar cost average. Okay, I take profits. I buy 125 plus shares minimum, but I'm trying to get 1,000, 3,000, 5,000 shares of everything. Okay, that's in my real portfolio. But what I do with you guys is at least 125 shares minimum, just to still show you the process. Okay, guys, I don't care about these conditions because this is where the wealth is built. All right, but over the next 24, 48 hours, it's going to get really, really hectic. Okay, and so you're going to see either the market continue to rally, or you're going to see the stocks you know, like, and love begin to come down. But I don't want you to look at it as down. I want you to look at it as opportunity. Okay, you guys already know our levels. Okay, we often talk about Apple. Let's go ahead and talk about Apple. Let's go ahead and review this real quick. Apple, if Apple run stalls, okay, and they come back down to 150, 147, okay, if they break that level of support, guys, it's downhill from there. All right, and then you can start to nibble and buy again. All right, if they continue higher, if you are already in Apple, you look for a level to take profit, preferably 157, 158. If they're not, consider 166. Okay, you have moves you can make if you know how to navigate this game. Okay, so I want you guys to be prepared for whatever they throw at us. Okay, because they will throw some little curveballs into the equation beginning tomorrow. All right, so if you need to, it's okay to push your seat back from the table, take everything in and watch what unfolds. Okay, don't feel the need to be in it, especially if you're going to get burned. Okay, I don't want to see you guys get burned, take an unnecessary risk when you don't have to. Please do me a favor and just kind of let the dust settle if you need to. Okay, for everybody else that wants to get their feet wet and dive in, you guys already know what to do, man. Respect the trend. If you wake up, or by the time, whatever time it is, you get in the market and the market is going up, guys, go with the trend. Don't try to go against the grain. If the market is selling off and everything is going down, go with the trend. Buy a put. Don't go against the grain. Okay, the trend is your friend in these markets. Okay, and you better off trying to ride them unless you have mastered the charts, unless you got in a Discord, unless you know how to navigate the charts and the levels and what the stock is going to do when. Again, keep it simple, guys, and keep it safe. All right, with that being said, man, I just want to let you guys know we got a crazy next 48 hours coming up, and I want you guys to be locked, loaded, and ready to go regardless of what comes down the pipe. Okay, this is the nature of the stock market. This comes to territory. So remember, guys, when they sleep we eat, when they panic we pounce. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.